To host a meeting in Google Meet or to join a meeting in Google Meet, you're first going to have to download it on your laptop. So you're going to download Google Meet. I'm using Google Chrome. And then when you press search, you're going to press Meet Google. Since I'm using Google Chrome, I'm already logged in to Google Meet. And Google Meet is technically already downloaded in your browser along with all the other Google apps, which are found right here. However, if you needed to sign in, you would just click your picture and then press Add Another Account here. Or if you're signed into the wrong account, you can press Sign Out. To do this, you need a Google account. If you don't have this, you can just create a Google account like this. Click the first link. And then you would just put in your first name, last name, whatever username you'd like, and the password. And it will also ask you some other questions after you press next. And once you follow the prompts, you'll have your Google account just sign into Google Meet. For an instant meeting, what you're going to do is press New Meeting and then press Start an Instant Meeting. In a scheduled meeting or instant meeting, you can mute and unmute yourself and also turn on and off your camera. To do this, you're going to press the mute button down here. And to unmute yourself, you're going to click it again. Same goes for the video button. So to turn off your camera, you're going to press this button. To turn it back on, you're going to click the button again. Another good thing to know for any video call is to make sure that your lighting is good. For natural lighting, you want to face the lighting, and if you don't have any natural light, make sure that the light source isn't right next to you, like a lamp or something, and that you're not sitting right under it because it might cut off some of your head, since the light would appear too bright on the screen. If there's glitchy sound, you can always turn off your camera and this will improve the sound. Usually glitchy sound is from you having poor connection or the other person having poor connection. When you have multiple people in the meeting, it'll automatically be in gallery view, but when someone starts talking, their face will become bigger. However, which is called speaker view. However, if you wanted to pin someone and make their screen bigger, even though they're not talking, you would just hover your cursor over theirs and then press pin video. So here's mine, and I could just press pin myself to the main screen, but since I'm the speaker, that's unnecessary. To end a Google Meet, you're going to press the hang up button right here, which says leave call. For a scheduled meeting, you're going to press New Meeting, and then press Create a Meeting for Later, or you can schedule it in your Google Calendar. For this, you're going to have a link, and you can send it to people, and then they can join it later when you have it scheduled. You can also schedule it on Google Calendar. On Google Calendar, you're going to have to give it a title, the day, the time, and also you're going to say if you want it to repeat or not. You can also add a description. and then press save.